Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Your Excellency, Madam Monica Chakwera, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Jessica Bwira, Minister of Higher Education, all the Cabinet and Deputy Ministers here present, Ms. Colleen Zamba, Secretary to the President and Cabinet, and all the government officials here present, Mr. Su Yuk-chung, Chancellor of Daeyang University, and all the chancellors and vice chancellors from the public and private universities here present. Mr. Lazarus Chakwera, Assistant Registrar, Deans of Faculties, members of the academic and non-academic staff of Daeyang University. Your Excellency Jae-kyung Park, Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to Malawi, and all the members of the diplomatic corps here present. Ms. Glory Jack, student representative, and all the graduating students here present. Parents and guardians, Honorable Patrick Zebulon Chilondola, Regional Chairman of Malawi Congress Party for the Center, and all the members of the Regional Committee here present. I notice there are also members of the National Executive Committee. Your Worship, Councilor Esther Sagawa, Mayor of the City of Lilongwe, and all the councilors here present. Traditional authorities Tukula, and all the traditional leaders here present. Reverend Dr. Barnes Chira, and all the religious leaders here present. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, today we are witnessing history as the torch of leadership has passed on from Mr. Y.K. Chung to Mr. S.H. Chung. When Mr. Chung Sr. laid the foundation stone for this university 21 years ago, there was nothing here but his dream for a university. Over the years that followed, he spared no effort and no expense to turn that dream into reality, creating this beautiful campus from scratch, literally. And now, this university has in turn created so many graduates, so many careers, so many futures, and the fact that we are here for its 10th graduation means that what you have built here is a gift that will never stop giving. But Mr. Chung Sr. knows that there is no success in this world without succession. He knows that it is altogether possible to build a good thing in this world without sustaining its impact across generations if you do not pass the baton on to the next generation. and what he has done for this university in raising a new leadership to continue the mission, he has also done for the nation of Malawi. For every student that graduates from here is a new leader raised for Malawi to take over from us who are leading today. It is therefore an honor to be part of this double celebration of cross-generational leadership. And just as the government of Malawi committed in 2004 to support your journey of establishing this school, so I too commit to supporting Mr. H. Chung as he carries this university into the future. It is imperative that the strong partnership that exists between this institution and the government of Malawi continues. I cannot emphasize enough how essential to the development and future of Malawi's youth, which makes this institution a vital partner in serving the youth of Malawi by empowering them to build a new Malawi through the development of their skills in education and health services. And to the students graduating today, and to the youth of Malawi in general, I urge you to draw inspiration about your own development and growth, and the development and growth of Malawi from the way this university was developed and has grown over the past 21 years. This campus did not appear overnight. It started as nothing more than a dream captured in a foundation stone. But nothing could have become of that dream and stone without the hard work and sweat that followed to make sure that in 2010 a nursing college was opened. And similarly, this would have remained a nursing college if the hard work and sweat to expand it into a university was not done in the 4 years that followed, so that the College of Information and Communication Technology, ICT, was also established in 2014. And it is this consistency that has ensured that in the years that followed after that, the School of Business and Management Sciences was also established. The moral of the story is that you must never underestimate how much you can accomplish over 10 years of consistent self-development and growth. But you can only see that development and growth if you do not grow impatient with the labor of love you must invest in throughout your foundation years. So, as you reflect on the theme for this congregation, quote, lead Malawi toward prosperity, end of quote, remember that we are currently in the foundation years of our nation's future prosperity. Remember that these foundation years are like the first 5 years in which this university was nothing more than a construction site of hard work, pain, sacrifice, and patience. Remember that if we stay the course and do not lose focus, the next 5 years will be the years of the prosperity we have been working towards. Remember that now that you have received an education here, you too have a responsibility to contribute to the productivity that we need to achieve in order to make sure that there is indeed prosperity in the coming years. Remember that no one is coming to build us a middle-income economy that is self-reliant and inclusively wealthy, for it is an economy we must build ourselves to pass on to our children 20 years from now, the same way Mr. Y.K. Chung is passing on to Mr. S.H. Chung something that was never even here when he got started. And above all, remember that development and growth happens through partnership. And this campus and your education are a testament to the partnership between Malawi and South Korea. And I'm proud that my administration has made this partnership stronger than it has ever been. Not only has this partnership made education accessible for Malawi's youth at this campus, but it has made it also accessible to Malawi's youth in South Korea, where about 40 Malawian youth have been able to study so far, including one member of my staff who just got started with her studies last month on a scholarship. And Mr. Ambassador, thank you so much for much that is happening even in the agricultural sector and its mechanization and commercialization. I am therefore most grateful for the partnership between Malawi and South Korea, for it is a partnership focused on building a new generation of leaders for Malawi. And I invite you all to join me in planting trees to symbolize the future leaders that we are creating and growing together through this partnership. Once again, congratulations are in order to all of you for your achievement. God bless you, and God bless Malawi. Thank you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.